Hello, welcome back. In this segment, I will introduce you to the notion of distinct. For example, you would like to have a list of numbers and all of them are different. How can you specify that to Z3? First, we create a list of variables. We used the list comprehension idea that was discussed in the previous segment. Here we are creating a list of 5 symbolic variables. X will be X0, X1, X2, X3, all the way to X4. So there are 5 symbolic variables we have created in our list X. Now we are saying that we want all of the values to be different. Okay, this is the meaning of distinct. So we will ask solver, come up with an X such that all of the values are different. Okay, that means any 2 value you pick, they must be different. That is the meaning of this distinct. Let's see whether Z3 can come up with an X for us like that. Yeah. You see here, it came up with 5 elements, X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, and they're all different. X0 is 0, 0 doesn't occur multiple times. X1 is -1, it doesn't occur multiple times, and so on. Okay, so the purpose of the distinct is to enforce that all the elements in the list here are different. We will leverage distinct for modeling interesting problems